Well, it's time for an EDC update. There's two things that have changed. I've left the landscaping job now, which is excellent. I no longer have to put up with the most negative, vindictive, malicious, two-faced, racist, shit-talking, narcissistic, alcoholic arsehole I've ever met in my life. That's now behind us. Also started a new job as well last week, which is awesome. But like I said in the last video, whether I started the job or not, I was going to leave because mentally I just can't take working with that person any longer. I was either going to snap and hit him or I was just going to walk out mid-job anyway, so yeah. Second thing, got a new toy. 80cc engine for the mountain bike. Hopefully this fits in the frame. The frame on the mountain bike's a little bit narrower. Engine will fit, but the carburetor on here might not. But I can always stick a metal pipe around here and bend it around under the seat and that would work. Seen it done. So that's my new engine. Just comes like that. You've got to put together the throttle and all the cables, carburetors in there as well, I can see. And this one comes with a speedometer for a excess cycle. I don't know what that is, but I'm intrigued, so yeah. Don't know what's in these boxes yet, but I'm imagining chain and exhaust pipe. Have a quick gander. I've got a bit for touching the rear gear. That looks like your accelerator or throttle cable, whatever you want to call it. Clutch lever. Bits for touching the engine, the chain. Got some tools with this one. You've got a spark plug as well. It's like a on-off switch for the fuel. See, chain, tensioner. I think that's for, don't know what that's for. Didn't have that on the other one. Fuel filter. Exhaust pipe, same as the other bike. And a chain guard, which I'm not going to use because chain guards are for gears. Let's see what's in this box. Oop. Got a fuel tank. And the fuel cap. And some washers that are falling out because the bag's not sealed. Some clamps for something. Guessing it's for the fuel tank. So that's my new engine. Might do a video on how to fit it to the bike. Not going to be using this one on the road, going to be using it off-road. So that's the engine, getting at the EDC now. So I'll start off with a knife since I've just used it. It's a Higo no Kami by Kanekoma. This one's got a steel handle, and the hardness of the blade is harder than the handle, so it doesn't damage the blade. It also holds an edge for a very long time as well. It's over 61 on the Rockwell hardness scale. I sharpened it last week, and I've opened it and closed it a few times, so it's still sharp enough to shave with. So that's my knife. Watches. Still got the Seconda 200 meter diver's watch. And I'm going to be using the Hoya Octavia as well. That's why I bought the Seconda, because it looks like the Octavia and I like the style of watch. But I won't wear the Octavia a lot because it's what my dad gives, so it's got sentimental value. It's also very expensive, so if that gets nicked, somebody's going to die. So I don't wear it too often, I just wear it every now and then to keep it going because it's mechanical or automatic, one of the two. Tell you on the watch, won't it? Automatic. I think it's one of the first ever chronographs as well, which is cool. Flashlight. Still the Nightcore HC33. Had this for ages, never had any reason to upgrade. There's probably better lights out there now. This is probably ancient technology. Got some comics. Wallet. Still got the Trivax. Forgot what it is now. Beginning of the C. Contour. And I've got the little lanyard with the carabiner on for attaching at the belt, so I don't lose it. And headphones, Geolabs, awesome, and they've got their own built-in charging cable. You just stick in any USB socket. And that's it for my personal EDC. So one of the main bags I'll be using is the 511, can't remember what model it is, it's 2.0 of something. It's one of the EDC bags. 24-hour one I think it is. So that's the bag. So with the new job, the hours are a lot less, which is a lot better for me because it means less time around people and more time to do my own thing. But it is getting towards winter now, just like it is everywhere else on the planet. So it's going to start getting a lot darker a lot earlier. But for the time being, I've still got enough time to go to the woods for an hour or two before it starts getting really dark. So I found my hammock, so I want to start doing more just little day camps. Another excuse to go to the woods. It's wildlife photography, so also going to be doing a lot more fishing as well on the weekends, and just more day camps as well. Might do an overnight camp, you never know. So yeah, it's my little life update. Got rid of the old job. Would have liked to stay longer, but couldn't. New job, more time. Starting the camping and fishing again soon. So that's it. I did say in the few videos a while ago that I got rid of all the camping gear. I've still got my bug out bag, and that's still got some canteens and whatnot. in mess kits in it, and the top for the hammock, sleeping bags and all that good stuff, so I can still do overnighters and whatnot, even though I've got rid of most of the camping gear. I've also got a couple of tents lying around as well. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.